Oh, it did a different thing.
Yeah.
Is it gonna do something different every time? Oh, it's going over there. Okay. Why does this cost more than the other one?
The pit party,
Yeah, what's the pit party?
that's probably where you'll get to walk around and look at the tracks and probably get in the bounce house.
Are we gonna do the pit party?
Yeah.
Oh, we're gonna do the pit party too. But first we're gonna do the monster truck and then the pit party. Can we touch him?
I think that was a better ride in person.
And here comes your Team Kentucky. Rodney, the team leader. Team Kentucky fans, right here. They're in the all yellow. Watch them race. Side by side, wheel to wheel action. Let's hear it one more time for Team Quad Wars. All right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. It's your opportunity to meet the super. That's a lot of power. I can feel it, the ground shaking down here. Big time bad boy monster trucks gonna tear it up this afternoon. They're parking in the far pit area. One truck remains out on the track. And Stretch and Money Girl. What we're gonna start out with is monster truck qualifying round. One truck, one track. About 2 revolutions, we're going to mark their time. All right, guys, we've got this race lights up. Hands in position. She's watching the race lights. This is a qualifying round. Single truck. She's fired up. They did the RI check. Again, qualifying round. Money Girl and Stretch, the veteran driver out of Toronto, Canada. She's going to make the first pass. We're going to mark her time while the other monster trucks watch on. Each one will come out and do a qualifying round. Based on their times, that'll determine their staging in monster truck racing.
Papa, why is it so blurry?
We do 2 races after the qualifying, and then we do a championship race. Let's see what kind of time he's going to get on this first run. Qualifying round. All right, Preston just shut him off with the RII. He's got it in his hand over there. That's the RII. All right, he's telling him to fire up. But Preston, our track official, just shut him off. Test it out. Safety first. Here we go, fans. The big track. Got some good air. Iron Horse. Caleb Key. Beautiful looking brand new monster truck. Just came online. Iron Horse.
Where's Money Girl?
Remember that name, folks.
Where's Money Girl?
Still didn't hear you.
Where's the Money Girl?
Where's the one?
Caleb and his dad today. They own a collision business there in Terre Haute. All right, here comes Paul Boone and Backdraft. The legendary Backdraft on the track. .7 on Iron Horse. 18.7. Doing the RI check. Preston just did it. Shut him off. Oh, big air there. The veteran driver. Legendary Backdraft doing the qualifying run. Mark time 16.9 on that run. 16.9 on the qualifying round. Coming out next. You've heard them, you've seen them. All over the world. World famous outlaw. Alex Barden out of Corpus Christi, Texas. What a run that must be. All right, he's doing the RI check. Getting him ready to go. All right, he's got to fire back up. These motors run real hot. Sometimes you got to watch that oil pressure. Here we go. A little bit more. 15.0 on that qualifying run. Alex Barnett and Outlaw.
Oh, we haven't seen this one yet. Oh, that was amazing.
All right, fans. We're going right into racing. First round, monster truck racing. This is Chicago style. One on the far side, one on the near side. Watching the racing lights. Here we go. Iron Horse. That rookie's learning. All right, that's heat one. Heat one. We're matching them up. Looks like Mighty Girls took that first heat. This round, you got World Famous Outlaw on the near lane and Backdraft on the far lane. This is Chicago style racing, fans. No straight line. Chicago style racing. You're seeing what they're doing right now. Head to head. Alex full throttle that one on that last hit. You can see they're getting used to the track. A lot of water on it. We had a lot of water put down. They're getting used to the footing in that, but they'll get a hang of it. Let's hear it for round one, Monster Truck Racing. Just like a battering ram, they're coming at us. Jay, our track official, is going to set up a chicane course. Coming up next,